Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by backing up saves and installs so nothing is lost. Once done, power down, unplug, and wait 5 to 10 minutes to be safe. Next, remove the side panel by sliding and lifting. This exposes the M2 2280 slot. Make sure you have a small Phillips and a T8 Torx. Keep the tiny screws in order. You're doing this now to avoid damage and to make the physical work predictable and reversible. You prepare the M2 NVMe SSD and place a thermal pad where required. This improves heat transfer so the drive won't throttle. Then insert the SSD into the slot at a low angle and gently push until the gold contacts are fully seated. Once seated, rotate the SSD down onto the mounting standoff and secure it with the screw. Do not over-tighten, just firm. After that, verify the pad covers the controller area and that the drive sits flat. You reattach the side panel, plug everything back in, and power on the Ps5 Slim. Once booted, go to Settings Storage to format the new drive so the system recognizes it. Format as extended storage for game installs, then run a test install or transfer to confirm performance. If the console fails to detect the SSD, power down, reseat the drive, check the mounting screw and thermal pad, and make sure the drive is NVMe Gen.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.